beyond brilliant, easily surpassed expectations, but we enjoy camp and humor. Great cast and set. We'll definitely see again. Photos for review needs only. Excellent seats to a magnificently excellent musical. Death Becomes Her is a must-see, must-experience musical theater when you visit New York City. The lifelong rivalry between the stunning Madeline Ashton and the overlooked author Helen Sharp in Death Becomes Her intensifies when Madeline steals Helen's fiance. When a mysterious woman named Viola Van Horn offers them a potion that restores their youth and beauty, the two frenemies find themselves embarking on a wild journey of revenge and redemption. Featuring a dazzling cast, including Hilty and Jennifer Simard, this hilarious new musical adaptation of the classic 1992 film explores the complexities of friendship and the lengths one might go to reclaim their former glory. Life's challenges may lead to an unexpected demise, but in this tale, death is just the beginning. Or maybe not.